Before you buy GeminAi 3.1 MAX, you need to see this. Because after testing it myself, I found something most reviews aren't telling you. If you've been trying to make money online, using AI tools, automation, or done-for-you systems, you already know the problem. Most of them overpromise, underdeliver, or just recycle the same old stuff, and you end up wasting time and money. What you actually want is simple, something that saves time, actually works, and doesn't require technical skills. So the question is, does GeminAi 3.1 MAX actually do that? GeminAi 3.1 MAX is basically an AI-powered platform that claims to automate content creation, generate traffic, and help you monetize faster, but instead of just reading the sales page. I tested it. So here's what I did. I logged in, set everything up from scratch, and tried to use it like a complete beginner. No shortcuts, no tricks. Inside the dashboard, you'll see AI content generator, automation tools, built-in templates, monetization options. The interface is actually pretty clean, not overwhelming like most tools. Here's how it works. Step 1, choose your niche. Step 2, generate content using AI. Step 3, customize it. Step 4, publish or export. That's it. Pretty straightforward. But here's where things got interesting. On day 2, I noticed something unexpected. The AI content, actually decent. Not perfect, but definitely usable. However, the real value depends on how you use it. If you expect instant results, you'll be disappointed. But if you use it as a tool, it can save you a lot of time. And here's what nobody is telling you: some features feel a bit generic. Meaning, if you don't customize properly, your content might look like everyone else's. The creators behind this product are known for launching AI tools. Some good, some average. So this isn't their first product. Looking at early feedback, some users liked the simplicity, others expected more advanced features, so it's a mixed response. What I liked: beginner-friendly, saves time, clean interface, decent AI output. What I didn't like: not fully done for you, needs manual input. Some features feel basic, the front-end price is relatively low. But like most tools, there are upsells. So keep that in mind. Compared to other AI tools, easier than complex platforms, but less powerful than advanced tools, so it sits somewhere in the middle. This is good for beginners, people starting online, content creators, not for advanced marketers, people expecting instant money, fully automated seekers. So, is GeminAi 3.1 MAX worth it? Yes, if you treat it as a tool. No, if you expect magic. If you want to check it out, link is in the description. Go through the details. See if it fits your needs.